Hi everyone! It's so nice to see you. Today, we're gonna fold a strawberry. You will need a red square paper. And if you want to draw a face later, a marker would be great. The size of paper is 15 by 15 centimeters. Place the paper down so the red side is facing the table, and fold it in half diagonally. Now fold it in half again. You made a triangle. Put your index finger inside and open it gently, pressing it flat. Flip it over. And let's do the same on the other side. Now you have a square pocket shape. Turn it so the open part is pointing up. Take just one layer and fold it to the center line. Do the same on the other side. Then unfold them both. Now fold each corner to that line you just made and unfold. Let's open up the flap and squash it down just like this. Do this side as well. Now follow the same folds with the layer underneath. Flip the whole thing over. Lift one layer and tuck it inside. See the green part? Let's fold it down at a slant. This makes the leafy top. Our strawberry is all done. Now let's draw a cute face with eyes and a smile. You can also add little seeds with your marker. That was easy and fun. Thanks for folding with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun with Fold with B. See you next time.